Hi, Susan. I'm responding to your text messaging and instant messaging. Those are two functions that we use a lot of in the environment that I work in. We utilize the instant messaging system to speak with our peers in the East, and even just the associates on the floor. Sometimes it's just a quick message asking them to go grab something, or if they're wearing a hat or something, just be like, please take your hat off, it could be as simple as that. And a lot of times they utilize it just to send us a message asking us a question, usually a brief question, because as you had stated in yours, that you don't want to leave a lengthy message in there. It's a lot of detail to try to read just in a message. And ours has a lot of the functionalities where we can screen share and we can remote into people's computers and things. So it's really pretty cool. And we use the text messaging a lot of times because we have what we call flex associates. So they're essentially just part-time. Their hours are pretty flexible, and so there are a lot of students. And so we'll just send them a text like, hey, can you come in today? We have extra work. Or we'll even send them a message, hey, there's no work today. You don't have to come in. And sometimes they'll just send us a quick message, asking for a day off or something, because they're not scheduled every day of the week, and so sometimes it's better if they can just reach out to us, and text messaging is a quick way for them to reach out to us. It definitely has its benefits. There are, some downfalls and stuff, but overall, those two systems have been very beneficial to the environment that we work in.